Deep frying, the crispy art of cooking. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious topic: deep frying. We'll explore what this term means, how it's used in cooking, and its significance in different cuisines. So, let's get started and learn about this tasty cooking method. Deep frying is a cooking method where food is submerged in hot oil or fat. This technique cooks food quickly and gives it a distinctive crispy texture and golden color. Deep-fried foods are popular worldwide, known for their appetizing aroma and delightful crunch. In deep frying, food is completely immersed in oil heated to a high temperature, usually between 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius to 190 degrees Celsius. The key is to maintain this temperature to ensure the food cooks evenly. This method seals the food's exterior, creating a crispy outer layer while keeping the inside tender. Various foods can be deep-fried. Popular examples include French fries, chicken, fish, and donuts. Different cultures have their unique deep-fried dishes, such as Japanese tempura, Indian samosas, and American fried chicken. These dishes are cherished for their flavors and textures. While delicious, deep-fried foods are often high in calories and fat. Consuming them in moderation is essential. Many people enjoy them as an occasional treat rather than a regular part of their diet. The term deep frying is sometimes used metaphorically in English. For example, someone might say they are deep frying their brain when working hard or focusing intensely on a task, implying an intense, immersive process. That's all about deep frying. We hope this video has given you a tasty insight into this popular cooking method and its place in the English language. Remember, language learning can be as fun as exploring different cuisines. See you in our next video, and happy learning!